We're taking a look around this Jeanneau Prestige 38S. It's a beautiful boat, 2010, with a pair of Cummins Mercruiser 4.2 320 horsepower diesels, and these are a fabulous sports cruiser. Great layout inside. This one's all Teak Decks. They have a tender garage. This lifts up and you get a full tender garage. Big walk around side decks on her. Sorry it's a bit noisy here. We're in the middle of the yard. There's a bit of working on next door. But fabulous layout. Elevated table up here opposite the helm station. Sliding hard top roof. Beautiful dash arrangement. We get an aft lounger area as well. That converts into a sun pad. Also, you got wraparound curtains to screen this area off. Decks are beautiful. Fit and finish of these things is lovely. Sliding perspex door giving access down into the saloon. Real spacious saloon on this boat, where we have L-shaped galley on the port side, huge big fridge, separate aft cabin, closing door, where you've got a double bed or convertible twins, so you can have that as a twin bed arrangement or a single double. Nice big hull side window there on the starboard side. Loads of headroom in that cabin. Then a nice wraparound saloon sofa on the starboard side. Again, you can drop that table down and convert that into a double bed as well. So you could theoretically sleep up to 8 people in this boat with the 2 cabins, the converted saloon and the convertible aft sun lounger. Electric flush toilet, great size heads compartment, and forward master cabin with island double berth, ensuite access to the heads, and even a wardrobe. A walk-in wardrobe. Haven't seen one of these in a boat this size before, but huge spacious wardrobe, along with your usual hanging lockers and stuff. This is a stunning boat, really nice one. Look at this beautiful skylight as well in the saloon. Floods this whole area with natural light. This has just been a very quick preview video of this Jeanneau Prestige 38S, using footage of this boat that we shot within the last 12 months or so, just to give you an idea of the condition that the boat's in and the general layout. We will be shooting a brand new up-to-date video tour in the next few weeks, and as soon as that's live, we'll be publishing it to our website at gulfstreamboatsales.com. If you do want to see that video, please register for VIP access on our site at gulfstreamboatsales.com, and we'll notify you as soon as that footage goes live. In the meantime, the boat is very seriously for sale and available for viewing at any time in the northwest of Ireland. If you've any questions about the boat, if you want to arrange to come and see it, please don't hesitate to get in touch by calling the number at the top of our website, or you can send us an email to sales@gulfstreamshop.com. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you found it useful.